I'm not really happy about how this is going. What's up, you guys? It's a vlog. Again, my college has begun, and that's the reason why we are here. And it's online this week, but it's going to be offline from next week. So I'm planning to vlog my first week in the real world. Let's see how that goes. But for now, we're gonna see how my week is like. It's already been 2 days since the college has begun, so I did not film that. I wanted to, like, I always want to vlog, but I'm such a bad vlogger. I just like, set up the tripod. It's too much work, and I'm too lazy. So it's 9:15 right now in the morning, and I have a lecture at 10. I have a little bit of time, so I'm going to study a bit of Korean or maybe draw. I'm not really sure. Or maybe I'm going to watch that Netflix show. I'm going to let myself decide while I watch this one YouTube video that I'm watching, and okay, I'm not really happy about how this is going. I just had like 10 minutes in the middle between two lectures. So I decided to just make some text for tomorrow's video, which is McClelland's three psychological needs: need for affiliation, power, and achievement. Maybe you will watch this video, maybe you won't, I don't know. But I just wanted to come here and talk to you for 2 minutes. I've been drawing and doing Korean for a while, and I was just thinking of making another YouTube channel for you to just chill with, because this one is just for psychology and just psychology content. And maybe if you want to get to know me more and you want to see more of me doing other things in my life which is non psychology related, and also like like I don't know, I just have this vague idea in my mind, and I just wanted to ask everyone, whoever is watching this video, what do you think? If you are a regular watcher of my videos, or if you're somebody who is new and who is just has found this video for the first time, anything, any kind of feedback is really helpful, because I don't want to mix all of that here. Like when I'm vlogging, obviously I'm going to show bits and pieces of me doing other things because that's how my day is like. But other than that, if you want to see a full-fledged videos on the other things that I do in my life, then let me know. I don't know how regular I would be on that channel, because it's more like hobby related, and what Aditi does other things. I don't know what to call it. Let me know what you think about this idea. I'm also going to ask this on Instagram and in my community tab, but I really want to know in the comments, what do you guys think about this? Hey guys, it's 6:30. I did not film much because in the afternoon I had like stats lecture for 1.5 hours. Then I was too tired, so I slept. And I just had coffee and everything. And it's 6:30, like I said, and I thought that I have a lot of things to do right now. I have to edit the video. It's half done. I have to post it tomorrow, so I need to finish it today. I also have to. So like I said, I had stats ka lecture, so I have to sit and just revise what she has done today, so thoda fit ho jaye. Because if you have seen my stats practical ka vlog, you know how disturbing it was for me. I was so distressed. So if you haven't, I'll put it in the I buttons. You can check it out. So I don't want that to happen again. So it's gonna be a great lesson for me. And I hope it's a great lesson for you to study well in advance, so you don't have to deal with so much of stress and pressure at the end. So I'm gonna start. I have to do that. There was one more thing I have to do. Oh yeah, I have to also make the thumbnail for tomorrow's video. I did not do that either. There was something else as well. I can't remember. If I do, I will let you know. So for now, I'm just going to start editing and finish tomorrow's video. So I'm like done with one thing that is pressing